Today we'll be starting Lightning Web Component. Before I start, what is a Lightning Web Component? How to go ahead and work with it, right? As usual, 5 minutes I will definitely take to give you a lot of instructions before we proceed. Every class is important here. You are at the highest level of programming that we'll be starting, right? It'll be completely JavaScript and DOM, right? This is a new technology which is not been implemented yet in the real-time environment. Almost no company has implemented this technology. They are still figuring out the practice. There are a lot of components which are undeveloped, right? If you talk about today, Lightning Web Component is 60 to 70% ready from Salesforce. It is not 100% ready as of today, right? So make sure that you attend the class regularly. If you're thinking that you'll attend the class via videos, most of us think that Sunday morning, who will get up, who will go and log into the class. If you're thinking to go ahead with the videos, then I will definitely recommend no, right? Your physical attention is required in the class, right? For the topics. There will be a lot of things coming up, which would be at a very high level. A practice is also required from your end to make sure that you cope up with the classes. Lightning was still okay. It's doable. But this class is not that okay branch. Here everything is command. There is no GUI. Everything is keyboard, right? That's who we're going to start. So please make sure that you're available. You do your practice. The homeworks that I give you, you do it religiously and then move to the next class. Otherwise, end of this class, you will be able to see that there are many concepts which you don't know how to do it, right? Oh, I'll practice. And that's not going to happen ever. So please make sure that you are perfectly available to this class, right, of LWC, so that you get completely adjusted with it. I would be covering almost everything, whatever is available till now, released by Salesforce, including beta. Betas are those which are not yet released in the market. Beta concepts like Jest, LMS, right, PubShop or Singleton. I'll cover all these additional concepts also, right? So let's go ahead and start, right? Now start writing first. Lightning Web Component. Lightning Web Component. What is a Lightning Web Component? Lightning Web Component is a custom HTML. Write down. Lightning Web Component is a custom HTML element built using HTML and modern JavaScript. Lightning Web Component are custom HTML elements built using HTML and modern JavaScript. Built using HTML and modern JavaScript. Right? That's the definition of Lightning Web Component. It is a custom component, HTML component, used or built using HTML and JavaScript. It is not an Aura component. Remember this very well. Nowhere will be using Aura, right? It is completely different programming from what you have done in Lightning development using Aura. Everywhere I was using Aura, right? But here there is no Aura, right? It's only HTML and JavaScript. First thing. Second thing, both Lightning, LWC and Lightning can coexist in single environment. both LWC and Aura can live in a single project, in a single application, in a single component. You can call LWC inside Aura, but you cannot call Aura inside LWC. You can call LWC inside Aura. You can call LWC inside Aura, but cannot call Aura inside LWC. Cannot call Aura inside LWC. However, both component, whether it's LWC or it's Aura, can live together, can coexist together, right? Anybody joining for the first time in LWC? Anyone in the classroom who joining first time in the LWC?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First time.
Did you completed Lightning?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have already done Lightning, right?
Yeah.
Complete Lightning course, including Lightning event, right? Application event, component event, methods. You completed those all? Data tables, arrays, everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Those who are joining for the right new with the LWC
Yes, sir.
now, okay? For my batch or from any other batch?
Your batch only.
My batch only. Okay, fine.
Your
Because
batch.
anyhow, in Capital Info, there is no other batch other than my batch, right? So fine, that's good. The prerequisite is that you should have completed your Lightning course before joining this. Without Lightning course, if you join this, it'll be completely bouncing. Anybody joining this course without Lightning is not advisable or not allowed. You need to go back and complete your Lightning and then only you come here. There are many concepts which I will not explain you on the theory. LWC is 99% practical, 1% theory. There's mostly no theory actually. Very lemon. You will not have more than 10 pages done. You will get a course material. On that, the theories will be there. Right? So there we go. Right? So what is LWC? Lightning Web Components are custom HTML elements built using HTML and modern JavaScript. That's the definition. Both LWC and Aura can coexist in a single environment. You can call LWC inside Aura, however, you cannot call Aura inside LWC. Right? Inside LWC, you cannot call any Aura component. Next, what is the difference between LWC and Aura? Both are component? Yes. Both are Lightning compatible? Yes.